Most home cooks assume that a $200 price tag guarantees better performance. But in a professional kitchen, the logo matters much less than the metallurgy. At Wade Media Labs, we put 12 restaurant-grade pans, all priced under $40, through our technical audit to see if they could actually hold their own against the boutique brands. We used high-resolution infrared sensors to map heat distribution across the cooking surface. A pan is only as good as its coldest spot, and we were looking for perfect thermal uniformity. The results were a wake-up call for the industry. Several of our $40 contenders showed more consistent heat retention and faster thermal recovery than pans 5 times their price. We ran a standardized sear test to measure the Maillard reaction. These budget workhorses delivered the kind of crust usually reserved for collector cookware, thanks to their heavy gauge construction. We even checked the rivets and handle torque. These pans are built for high output environments, prioritizing functional durability over showroom aesthetics. Only 3 pans emerged as the clear winners, outperforming the luxury brands in both thermal efficiency and sheer value. These are the tools the pros actually use. You don't need a luxury budget to get professional results. Performance is about physics and engineering, not just the price on the box. See the full thermal maps, the sear consistency charts, and our 3 under $40 champions at cookwarescout.com.